Basque Bank High Yield Savings Account Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong, but not all high-yield savings accounts are created equal. Some promise high returns but come with hidden fees, strict requirements, or low accessibility that can make them frustrating to use. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Basque Bank High Yield Savings Account in 2025 breaking down its interest rates, features, pros, cons, and whether it's truly worth your money. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear picture to decide if Basque Bank is the right place to grow your savings. What is Basque Bank? Basque Bank is an online bank that specializes in high yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit CDS. Unlike traditional banks with brick-and-mortar branches, Basque Bank operates fully online, which helps it maintain lower operating costs and pass those savings on to customers in the form of higher interest rates. Founded in 2005 as part of the MetaBank family, Basque Bank has become known for competitive APYs, FDIC insurance, and a user-friendly online banking platform Its high-yield savings account is designed for people who want safe, liquid savings with higher returns than typical checking or savings accounts What is a high-yield savings account? Before we jump into Basque Bank specifically, let's clarify what a high-yield savings account HISA is. A high-yield savings account is a deposit account that typically offers a higher interest rate than standard savings accounts. Here's what makes it different. Higher interest rates HISA offer rates several times higher than traditional banks. FDIC insurance deposits are insured up to $250,000 per depositor, per bank. Liquidity funds can usually be accessed anytime online. Low risk unlike investments, your principal is safe and guaranteed. HISA are ideal for emergency funds, short-term savings, and anyone looking to grow their cash safely. Key features of Basque Bank High Yield Savings Account. 1. Competitive interest rate: as of 2025, Basque Bank offers around 4.35% APY placing it among the top online banks for high yield savings. 2. Low minimum balance: you can open an account with as little as $10 making it accessible for new savers. 3. FDIC insurance: your deposits are insured up to $250,000 providing peace of mind. 4. No monthly maintenance fees: Basque Bank does not charge monthly fees, allowing your interest to grow uninterrupted. 5. Easy online access: manage your account through a web portal or mobile app, track your balance, and monitor interest. 6. Automatic transfers: you can set up recurring transfers from other bank accounts to grow your savings consistently. How Basque Bank High Yield Savings Account works. Opening and using a Basque Bank HISA is straightforward. 1. Apply online: complete the application with personal details, including social security number, address, and employment information. 2. Fund your account: deposit at least $10 via ACH transfer from another bank. You can also fund via mobile deposit or wire transfer. 3. Earn interest: interest compounds daily and is paid monthly, helping your savings grow faster over time. 4. Manage online: check balances, make transfers, and monitor interest accrual anytime from your device. Interest rates and compounding. One of the most appealing aspects of Basque Bank is its high APY currently around 4.35%. This is significantly higher than the national average for savings accounts, which typically ranges between 0.60% and 0.75%. Interest is compounded daily which means your account earns interest not just on your principal, but also on previously accrued interest. Over time, this can significantly accelerate growth. For example, if you deposit $10,000 and leave it untouched for a year at 4.35% APY, interest earned $435 total balance at year end, $10,435. If you add $500 monthly, your balance could grow to over $16,000 in a year, showcasing the power of compounding interest. Benefits of Basque Bank High Yield Savings Account. 1. High APY : consistently above the national average, helping your savings grow faster. 2. Low minimum deposit : makes it easy for anyone to start saving. 3. FDIC insured : protects your deposits up to $250,000. 4. No fees : no monthly maintenance fees, so your money grows uninterrupted. 5. Simple online management : easily track balances, transfers, and interest online. 6. Safe and low risk : unlike stocks or crypto, your principal is secure. Drawbacks: online only: no physical branches may not suit those who prefer in-person banking. Limited withdrawals: federal rules limit savings account transfers to 6 per month. Variable rates: APY can change with market conditions, which may affect interest earnings. No ATM access: unlike some online banks, Basque Bank does not provide a debit card for direct withdrawals. Who should consider Basque Bank High Yield Savings Account? Emergency Fund Savers: perfect for keeping 3-6 months of expenses in a safe, high interest account. Short-term goals: ideal for saving for vacations, weddings, or large purchases within a few months to a couple of years. Risk-averse investors: offers better returns than a standard savings account without risking principal. Online banking users: those comfortable managing finances digitally will find it convenient. Tips to maximize your Basque Bank HISA. 1. Deposit early: the sooner your money is in the account, the more time it has to compound. 2. Automate contributions: set up recurring transfers to grow your balance effortlessly. 3. Monitor rate changes: keep an eye on APY fluctuations, switch accounts if rates drop significantly. 4. Avoid excess withdrawals: stay under the 6 per month limit to avoid complications. 5. Combine with other accounts: pair your HISA with CDs or other savings options to diversify and optimize growth. Basque Bank vs competitors. Ally Bank Savings Account: offers a slightly lower rate, but comes with 24/7 customer support and an easy-use mobile app. Marcus by Goldman Sachs High Yield Savings: comparable APY, strong reputation, and robust online tools, but may have higher minimums. Synchrony Bank High Yield Savings: offers competitive rates at ATM access, which Basque Bank lacks. Basque Bank shines primarily for its low minimum deposit and competitive interest rate making it ideal for savers focused on growth rather than transactional convenience. Real life example: Emma, a 28-year-old professional, wants to save $20,000 for home renovation over the next 2 years. She deposits $5,000 initially and adds $500 monthly to her Basque Bank HISA. Initial deposit, $5,000 monthly contributions, $500 APY, 4.35% total after 2 years, $20,000 plus $1,000 in interest. By using Basque Bank, Emma grows her savings faster than she would with a standard savings account, thanks to the high APY and daily compounding Final verdict: so, is Basque Bank High Yield Savings Account worth it in 2025 ? For most saver-seeking high returns, safety, and low fees the answer is a resounding yes.